everyone, I am Evan Michelle and welcome to my channel, Amateur Beauty. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing my go-to makeup look. This go-to makeup look is basically the look that I do for my videos. Every video that you have seen on my Evan Michelle channel has been this one look because it's really the only look that I can do. So from a year from now, I would love to look back on this video and see how much I have improved on my makeup journey, because right now, I definitely do not know how to do makeup. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to prime my face. I'm using the Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Primer, and I work it all the way down to my neck. So after I prime my face, I start on my eyebrows. So I use this spoolie to push up all my eyebrows hairs. As you can see, my eyebrow hairs are kind of overgrown, but that's another video. So I do that, and then I go in with my Anastasia brow wiz in the color dark brown, and I start from the ends and work my way to the tail, and then I go to the top and do the end again and work my way to the tail. Try to do hair-like strokes when I do it, but somehow it doesn't work out as hair-like strokes. After I'm done filling my brows with my brow wiz, I go in with my concealer. I go in with the Fit Me. I'm in the shade 30 Cafe. And I just clean up my brows with this concealer. So with my concealer, I like to start at the bottom. I start at the front and work my way to the tail. And then I go to the top, start at the front and work my way down to the tail. Then I do the same on the other side. After I conceal both sides of my eyebrows to clean them up a bit, I go in with a flat brush. The flat brush I use at the bottom of my brows and work my way to the tail. I try to bring as much concealer down to blend it out to my eyelids so that it's primed for my eyeshadow. And then I go to the top and blend that out as well, because I don't like that you can tell when I have concealer on. So I try to blend it out as much as possible so that it blends in with my skin. By the way, all these techniques that I'm doing, I have learned from other YouTubers, since I obviously don't know how to do makeup. And then I just repeat the other side, but this does not look blended. Oh my god, look at my eyebrows. Look at my eyebrows. I'm dead. Why? My eyebrows are looking horrible. But like, maybe if I straighten my face a little bit. Anyway, these are my eyebrows. So as I do my eyebrows, so now I'm going with my foundation. I go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Deep Sand. So I'm finally done with my foundation. Now it's on to eyeshadow. I'm about to use Shade Now Boarding, and I'm going to put that in my crease. I started in the middle and work my way outward. So now I'm trying to blend it out with another brush. By the way, I honestly do not know what brush to use on what parts. So I use whatever brush I can find and I just put it on there because it's going to go in there anyway. So now I'm going to be using Hang 10, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid as like a transition color. I believe that's how y'all say that. So I'm going to put that all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend out Now Boarding and Hang 10 together. And after I blend that out, I'm going to go with a different shade, and this shade is going to be Faux Real. Faux Real is kind of like a shimmery shade, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid again on top of that Hang 10. And I'm also going to do that to the other side. And after I do that, I'm going to go in with Sunnies, and I'm going to put that in my inner corners of my eyes to make them pop a little bit. After that, I am done with my eyeshadow. Then I go in and do my lashes. So I'm going to go in with my mascara. I use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I love this lash mascara. I put on 2 coats on the top, 1 coat on the bottom, and it gives me a little bit of clumpage that I kind of like. Alright, and my eyes are done because this is all I do. You know, I go on to the lips because the lips brings everything together. So let me lick my lips to moisturize them. Now I go in with lip gloss. I'm using the shade Damn Gina from Kylie Cosmetics. Alright guys, so this is my go-to look. All I do for this look is do my foundation, my brows, add eyeshadow, and also do my lashes and put some lip gloss on. And now I'm about to spray myself down with this setting spray and call it a day. I'm gonna call it a day. So that's basically the look, you guys. Hopefully I improved within a year because this ain't it. Honestly, I just want to learn more. I really want to learn how to do lashes. I want to learn more about contour, more about cut crease. And I'm having a video of things that I do not know how to do, which I'm going to do anyway. And I'm going to look a clown. I'm going to be a whole clown. And so I will stay tuned to my next video where I look like a whole clown. But yeah, stay tuned for that video. If you want to see that video, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when I post that video, because that video is really coming up right after this one. So if you're interested in that, go ahead. Why not? Click that bell. And don't forget, I'm just an amateur. Whatever y'all be doing, I don't know how to do this shit.